we provide a safe haven for our boys. We let them know that even though this is a single gender, you don't have to worry about girls. Focus on your education. A lot of our kids are, because they're males, sports oriented. But we want them to know you are a student athlete. Our main goal and objective is to make sure our students have everything they need that make them viable adults.
Our location doesn't determine our destination. We're a magnet school. Our outreach is within the boundaries of Toledo Public Schools, and we draw from all parts of Toledo Public School district.
I love seeing my students. I love that if I'm ever gone on a day, I'll come in and they'll be like, where were you? Are you okay? And they really do care about you. Or you have the little guys that want to give you a hug every morning and tell you hi. And it becomes a ritual that if they don't, then it kind of throws their day off. So those types of things, just being there for them.
Martin Luther King Junior Academy for Boys has a STEM designated classroom. It's the last one in the district that we do hands-on science lessons with every student in the school from pre-K to sixth grade. You name it, we do it if it has anything to do with STEM. It's not about, the dittos or the copies. It's about doing the stuff that the kids really get involved and excited about.
Seeing the students that come back and the things that they have accomplished, and when they come back, they say things like, I now see what you meant. I understand what you were telling me. Thank you. So that lets us know what we're doing is working.
This is 35 years, and I still feel that passion for helping kids. And knowing that futuristically, that I've made an impact on some child's life. As we're pre-K to sixth grade, and it's really wonderful to see the kids, after they've grown up, they come back, they give back.
I hope when they walk away from here that they realize they can do anything, that there are no limits to what they're capable of as long as they work hard. Set your sights high and try to accomplish whatever you can, because you can do just about anything you set your mind to.
My name is Sheila Cook.
My name is Willie Ward.
My name is Luke McKinley.
I'm Mandy Brighty, and I am TPS proud.